Hop in the whip and I hit these switches, see that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it, I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Taylor 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frame, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X game. Everybody gotta tune in for the next thing.
Made it.
I don't know who's worse, him or Vic. We made it, guys. We're out here. We landed in New Mexico. And our first stop out here in this trip, we're going to check out our good distributors out here in New Mexico. Dominguez Customs. All right, let's see if we can find our way into the building. Alright guys, we made it out here. We're at Dominguez Customs, New Mexico. And we're just kind of checking everything out. Gonna have a little day to hang out, talk, BS with them. And just go over a whole bunch of products if they need any help. But they got a whole bunch of projects going on right now. Look at that. Got a little action going on back there right now. Came in just in time. So we're out here at Dominguez Customs. We landed, we got our rental, we jumped in, and luckily they're only about 15-20 minutes from us. Actually, not even that, I don't even think. But we got here and just checking everything out. There we got a full house over here. Everyone's getting ready for the show, so things have been pretty cool. You get to see a whole bunch of builds that they got going on. They got frames over here, got full. You guys pretty much doing full restos too, almost, right? Yeah, so pretty much full restorations going on. Tons of frame work. This guy's pretty crazy over here. That one right there. There you go, outside got tons of other projects out here as well. Alright, so we spent the day yesterday over at Dominguez, and then after that we pretty much called it a night. Right now we're rolling up to the show. We're actually right here. You got Mike, you got the Lowrider rig, and we're gonna be making our way into the convention center for the first time to see what's going on, get the booth set up, and start checking out all these cars. So right now we are on step one. We're getting everything set up. Mike's breaking down some of the pallets right now. We got Dominguez's actually it's a little crooked. Let's get this straightened out. Got their tablecloth up here. We got all of our tablecloths up. We got backdrop up, flags are up over here. So everything's looking good so far. So far it's looking like a good show. So we're gonna be able to walk in a few once we get all dialed in here. Well, we were set up. Now the show promoter wants us to move our booth, so not too happy about that one. Well, here's the new location for the booth. Guys, we got that ordeal out of the way now. Now let's go check out some freaking sick rides. Haven't got to enjoy anything yet, so here we go.
Raider.
Today we're on setup day. Today's just kind of a mellow day. Everyone's getting everything set up. Everyone's getting everything wiped down. We're getting our booth set up. I broke my I shouldn't be drinking this, guys, but I've been tired. So we're out here though, and actually right away we have a few cars that we come check out. Got some nice big H's. Got the Hoppos pumps right there. I love coming out and seeing this stuff right here. So we come out and we look at all these cars. We look at who has the product, what vendors are selling our stuff, and different things going on the car. So it's pretty cool to see it all. But I'm gonna get some pictures, some videos for you guys, and we'll get this up on the internet for you. We're done for setup today. After a little headache going back and forth, having to move the booth around to get everything situated, we're done. So we're gonna go to the casino. We're gonna go head out with our distributors from Dominguez Customs. We're gonna go meet up there with them and go have some dinner, have some drinks, and just have a good time, hang out. That's what all these shows are all about. So try to enjoy it a little bit, try to take in some of the scenery, and yeah, grab a few drinks. That's what we're really here for. Oh, getting caught in the storm.
Hold up, I need some people.
flight, lay over in Phoenix, make it over to Ontario. Time to go to sleep.
Some space at the end of boarding. You're more than welcome to put your smaller items up there. We just asked you to put them underneath the seat in front of you.
Mike and his
flight
thumb.
over to Phoenix today.
Every time I pull the camera on you,
The
it's...
acceptance is if you're out with one or
See,
more.
they make fun of him too because Vic's not here. So other than that, the show did great. We're on our way. We're on the plane, getting ready to go.
If you're sitting in an
We'll see you guys next time. Appreciate you guys.
Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos, 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 Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos, Hoppos, Hoppos. I'm Rob Taylor 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a